Howdy folks, welcome to this video sample of layouts from the book Cue Ball Control Cheat Sheets. This is a book on how to apply precise cue ball speeds and spins. About the author. I am Alan P. Sand, a certified instructor qualified by the Professional Billiard Instructors Association. I've written many books on pool skills and knowledge that have helped thousands of players. Instructions. Set up these layouts with paper reinforcement rings, also known as donuts. First, pocket the 1 ball. From where the cue ball stops, pocket the 2 ball. Try the shot with the recommended speed and spin. After you own the shot, experiment with your own ideas. Use these layouts to rapidly master precision cue ball shape and position. When you set up a layout, take the time to make sure you can always make the shot work. Cue ball spin, the clock system. The cue ball spins used in the book are very precise. All Q-tip and ball contacts are exactly 1 Q-tip out from center, as shown in this graphic. The clock system helps explain precision cue ball spins. Cue ball speed, the distance system. Speed is the other critical ball control factor. This is the distance that the cue ball will travel based on the energy you put into the stroke. The soft speeds. Soft 1 speed moves the cue ball from one side of the table to the other side. Soft 2 speed moves the cue ball cross-side and halfway back into the center of the table. Soft 3 speed is a cross-side lag shot. The cue ball goes across the table and comes back to the start position. The medium speeds. Medium 1 speed is a standard lag shot. It goes the length of the table and back. Medium 2 speed is the lag shot plus a roll that ends at the table center. Medium 3 speed sends the cue ball 3 times up and down the table. This is a very common situation. You're on the 1 ball with an easy shot. Unfortunately, you're on the wrong side. Lucky for you, there are 2 possibilities. The first option is to make the cue ball roll the least possible amount. Plus, the 1 ball has to have enough energy to reach the corner pocket. If you can't be gentle, the cue ball is going to roll extra inches, and that makes the 2 ball shot more difficult. The second pattern uses a lot of energy. This is necessary because the cue ball has to go cross-side and up table, then back cross-side down table. There are 2 potential problems. The cue ball has to travel a great distance off a lot of cushions. Then there's the speed on the 1 ball, and as you know, speed kills. If the 1 ball doesn't go perfectly into the pocket, it's going to rattle out and your turn ends. Both shots have dangers at opposite ends of your shooting skills. Take the time and practice. Only the 6 o'clock draw on the cue ball will pull it back and give you a decent comfort zone shot on the 2 ball. But the stroke speed is critical. The cue ball has to hit the 1 ball with just enough reverse spin to pull it back. Too much speed and the cue ball will travel into the chaos zone, and that puts a stop to your inning real fast. Too slow and the tablecloth will wear off the spin. If that happens, the cue ball angle goes straight into the rail. That is when the cue ball can roll out of the comfort zone and leave you a tough shot. You want to practice this. Keep working on it until you can play the shot with your eyes closed. This is a tough layout. You're setting on the wrong side of the 1 ball. Every shot is going to travel far, far away. There are only 2 feasible options. The first is a 1030 spin with a medium 1 speed. The cue ball has to roll forward from the tangent line, and the 1030 spin comes into the first rail with reverse English, and this shortens the angle out. There's just enough energy left to get the cue ball cross table. It does leave a shot, although a bit tough. The other option is 6 o'clock draw with a lot of energy. There is a shallow angle, and the cue ball has to travel all the way up table and back down. The problem with speed is that it's very easy to rattle the pocket and miss. Take your time to make sure that the shot on the one ball is precisely into the face of the corner pocket. Practice both of these a lot. Mizrak has offered excellent advice for pushing the cue ball around the table, soft and softer. The soft roll needed for this shot is an excellent example of the need for very precise slow speeds. This is why you must practice the slow speeds until you can lay the cue ball within an inch of your target location. It is obvious why there is a need for careful attention to this shot. Too slow and the one ball doesn't reach the corner pocket. Too fast and the cue ball bounces off the rail into the chaos zone. So take your time and make it right. Practice this shot until the one ball just barely drops into the pocket. Then practice it until you can drop the one ball 4 times in a row. This is a very serious shot. You really need to have precision control on cue ball speed. Thanks for watching this video about the Cue Ball Control Cheat Sheets book. Check out the blogs and books and deals on the BilliardGods.com website. Good luck and shoot straight.